Okay, how to reset the code on a master lock. So, open the master lock up, go to the back of it, you'll find a reset button. Go ahead and pull it up like that. Put the new code in. We're going to make it 5555. Okay. Take the reset back to where you found it. Jumble up the code. Okay, it doesn't open. All right, let's try opening it. What's our code? 5555. Done. Another thing, how to open this part. In here, there's a little thing. It says release on it. If you could see that. Go ahead and pull it in. And there it goes. And you're done.